Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard. And if microphone icon is not visible between emoji icon and spacebar, click on this gear at the top and then select this one at the top right corner of your keyboard. Then choose typing. Click on voice and physical keyboard. And finally, click on this switcher next to voice input in order to activate it. If you can't find this gear on your keyboard, just go into Devices Settings instead, scroll down and click on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and SwiftKey keyboard. Following that, do exactly the same. Typing, voice and physical keyboard, and gray switcher next to voice input. Finally, when you finished, go back to your keyboard and hold this microphone next to smiley face. So when I do that, as you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, just tap on blue button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!